This video shows you how to add users to your LMS account in 3 different ways. First option. You can add user by going to Users tab. Click New User. Input all necessary details and click Create. User will receive an email notification of his or her new account. The second option ID to invite user. Click Invite User button. Add the username or email address and select the group you want the user to invite into. Click Invite button. User will receive an email notification that will inform him to accept or decline the invitation. Once invitation is accepted, he or she will be added to the group. The third option is for a big group of users. Select the group. Click Import Users button. Here you can find the import sheet template in Excel file. The sheet requires the following details: first and last name, login username, email address, and password. Once you have completed all details for all users, you are now ready to upload and import. Click Choose File. Then click Import All Users. Next video is about creating a course.